Basic man, I do feel like these piece of clothing, how do I say that? Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Basic Man. So this is a clothing subscription for men. It's $19.99. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. And it's just a monthly subscription that sends you a pair of socks, a pair of underwear, and an undershirt or a t-shirt. And not really a t-shirt, I guess it's more of an undershirt. They do come in different colors. You can wear them as just a normal t-shirt, but my husband wears them as undershirts. My son wears them as t-shirts. So I think it is decent for the cost. I think the things in here are well made. Also, I am wearing a little bit of makeup. It is Friday, it is date night. We are just doing a super casual date tonight. You'll see these date night clothes next Saturday when Saturday's food goes up. So let's get into Basic Man. So this month, it looks like these are my sons, and it's an orange pair of underwear, and it's got a band. And if you are not aware, Basic Man does put a destroy by date in their clothing, because you're only supposed to wear things like this for, I don't know, a little while. What is it? So the destroy by date is July 1st, 2021. So it's just a couple of years. So that is that. The next are a pair of striped socks, and it has their little logo right there for Basic Man. And then the shirt is just a blue shirt. And also, I don't know if you can see it, it is kind of light, but it also does have a destroy by date in there. So I do feel like this subscription is a good one. I do feel like the clothing is made very well. Usually the socks are really well made. They don't have like little strings that like poke out. So I don't know. I just think that this is a good subscription. I do think that this is a good subscription for men and teenage boys. I don't know. I think it's a good one. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you have a great day.